Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Nextdoor into your WordPress site, step by step in just a few minutes. If you want to connect your local community directly through your website, this is the perfect guide for you. So stick with me till the end, and by the time we're done, your Nextdoor feed will be live and running right on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress homepage. If you're not already logged in, click on the Log In option at the top right corner. This will take you to your WordPress login page. Make sure to log in using the same account you use to manage your website. This keeps everything connected and secure. For a faster login, you can simply click on Continue with Google. Choose the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site and you'll be signed in automatically. No need to remember any extra passwords. Super convenient, right? Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Site. Click on that and then select your specific website. This will open up the site editor where we'll be adding the Nextdoor integration. Now, inside the editor, go to the top left corner and click the plus icon to open your block library. In the search bar, type Nextdoor. You should see a block or widget labeled Nextdoor or Nextdoor Embed. Click on it and it will automatically appear on your page. You can place it anywhere you want, in your sidebar, footer, or even on your homepage, depending on where you want visitors to see it. Next, it's time to link your Nextdoor account. You'll see a field asking for your Nextdoor URL. Just go to your Nextdoor profile or business page, copy the URL from the browser, and paste it into that field. Then click on Embed. This instantly connects your Nextdoor feed or profile with your website, allowing visitors to interact or follow your community updates directly from your site. Once everything looks good, head to the top right corner and click Save. This applies your changes and officially activates the integration. You can now preview your page to make sure the Nextdoor content is displaying perfectly. And that's it. You've just successfully integrated Nextdoor into your WordPress site. Quick, clean, and fully functional. Now your visitors can stay connected with your local community without ever leaving your website. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick WordPress and website tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover any other integrations next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.